In this video, I will show you how you can make presentations on Canva. So I am using here Canva free version to make this amazing presentation. So let's get started. So you just simply need to click on create presentation. Once you do that, Canva will take you to your workspace canvas where you can create your presentation. So this is my canvas where I create my presentation. So this is blank canvas and I will be able to create my presentation here. So these are all the templates which you can use for your presentation. So now I am just randomly search for Canva here and click on enter. So now there are number of thousands of templates which you can use. So now I am just here selecting my template. So let's just say I want to go with this template. So this is the page number 1. So the next page is added from here. So from the color box you can change the color of the template. You can make the color light or dark from here. So now it is matched with the previous page. Now the next step is to click on elements and search for Canva. I just select this logo, adjust it, and now click on text, click on the heading because we are just adding heading here. So now I adjust it accordingly, double click on it and now press backspace or delete, and now you can add heading according to your choice once you are done. So here I go for heading, but it totally depends on you how to use Canva. So this can be my heading. So now from here you can change the color of the heading. I just choose the white one. If you want it to make italic or bold, the options are here. You can change the size of the heading from here and the fonts are here. You can choose according to your heading. I just go with this because it looks pretty in the heading, and here are alignment, list, spacing. Let's add another page, and from this block you can change the color of the slide again. Click on elements and now you can insert a table on your slide if you want, and even you can edit it. So let's just add a table here, expand it with the dots, adjust according to the slide, and now click on text and I am just randomly writing Canva here, Canva. Now place it in the first block. Now again click on heading and just write Canva Pro. You can write according to your presentation. Now adjust it according to the block and there you go. If you want to delete the page, simply click on the right button and here you can delete the page or duplicate the page. So just click on delete page and now the slide is deleted. Once it is done, click on the share button and now click on download. So there are many options. It is going to be MP4 video, or you can go for the image presentation or image slide. So I am just going for the PDF file which is also suggested. So you can go for PDF standard and click on download. So now your presentation is downloaded. Now you will be able to create your amazing business, school or work presentation with canva.com for free. If the content helped you, leave a like on the video, leave a compliment or a suggestion in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel to follow our content. Bye.